Welcome to our channel. Expense cards designed for direct deposit help you receive payments quickly and manage business expenses efficiently. Here's how to activate your card in a simple way. Step 1. Locate the activation materials that came with your expense card in the mail. This typically includes a sticker on the card itself with activation instructions. Step 2. Check whether your card issuer offers activation via phone, website, or mobile app. Most expense cards provide multiple activation methods for convenience. Step 3. If activating online, visit the website URL printed on your activation materials. Look for a section labeled Activate Card or Card Activation. Step 4. Enter your card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code when prompted. You may also need to provide personal identification information. Step 5. For phone activation, call the toll-free number on the card or activation sticker. Have your card and personal information ready. Step 6. Follow the automated prompts to enter your card details using your phone's keypad. Verify your identity with additional security questions if required. Step 7. Set up direct deposit by providing your employer or payment source with your expense card's routing and account numbers. These are usually found in your card account information. Step 8. Confirm that your card is activated by checking for a confirmation message via email, text, or on-screen notification. Test your card with a small purchase to ensure it's working correctly before setting up direct deposit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.